This is a lesson plan which will help kids learn about simple machine. The simple machine is the pulley. So here we have different types of pulleys. Some are used for clotheslines, some are used in construction, some are stationary pulleys, some are going to be movable pulleys, some of them are going to have room for one strand, some will have multiple strands of rope. So we're going to take rope and make a pulley system. A demonstration that we have right now is that you have 3 kids, 3 volunteers. One is going to be a stationary unit holding onto this PVC. The second person is this is going to be the load, which is going to be very heavy. And then you'll have someone who's going to hold the twine and actually pull the load. So with these 3 people, you're going to see if you can pull the load much easier by using a normal pulley system that you've made, but doesn't necessarily have to have the visible pulleys that we think of when we talk about pulleys. So if we wrap the rope around it once, then the person holding the twine and the load will basically be about the same thing. There won't be much give and take. But if we wrap it around twice, then you have a mechanical advantage. That means the person with the twine is going to have more pull to get that load. So this will be a demonstration that will help the children understand that a pulley system can really just be a circular item with twine thrown over it, and that's what they did back in the Western days. One other activity that we're going to have is to build a tree house. Have the kids design on paper the largest tree house they can have, but it has to include 5 different designs for a pulley. A pulley system which might include raising supplies up into your tree house, an elevator that would move a person inside the tree house, a trap door. You might have lower your trash down from the tree house or raise it up, but they come up with all kinds of ideas that they can actually design in their tree house. You might even want to break them into groups to design them. The next activity is to actually take these pulleys and come up with different designs. They might want to use the staircase or something, a chair or a table or something that will give them a little bit of height, and watch how pulling in one direction does actually change the direction that the load is being pulled. So this is an activity for designing on paper as well as using pulleys to build.